Welcome. If you're eager to make your very first online sale but don't want to spend money on ads, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through practical, proven strategies to help you land that first sale organically. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to boost a side hustle, these steps are designed for beginners and require no advertising budget. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn your passion or product into real revenue, all without paying for ads. Ready to get started? Let's break down the process step by step. The first step to making your first online sale is choosing the right product. Think about what you're passionate about or what you know well. Is there a specific niche you can serve? Maybe you have a handmade item, a digital product, or a unique find. Focus on something that solves a problem or brings joy to your target audience. Remember, starting with a product you believe in makes it easier to promote authentically. Take a moment to brainstorm ideas and jot down what you'd love to sell. This foundation is key for everything that follows. Before you can sell anything, you need to know who you're selling to. Take time to define your ideal customer. What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Where do they spend time online? Understanding your audience helps you tailor your messaging and choose the right channels to reach them. Create a simple customer profile or persona to guide your efforts. This clarity will make every step, from product listing to outreach, much more effective and targeted. Now it's time to set up your online store. Choose a platform that fits your needs, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Make sure your store looks professional and is easy to navigate. Use high-quality images, clear product descriptions, and a simple checkout process. Even if you're on a tight budget, there are free themes and tools to help you get started. Your store is your digital storefront, so make a great first impression. Your product listing is your chance to shine. Write clear, engaging descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your product. Use high-quality photos from multiple angles. Include keywords that your customers might use when searching for your product. The goal is to make your listing both informative and appealing, so potential buyers feel confident making a purchase. Remember, honesty and clarity build trust. To get found without ads, you need to optimize your store and listings for search engines. This is called SEO, or search engine optimization. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure your images have descriptive file names and alt text. The better your SEO, the more likely customers will find you when they search online. It's a powerful way to attract organic traffic and boost your chances of making that first sale. Social media is a fantastic way to reach potential customers without spending on ads. Choose platforms where your audience hangs out, like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Share engaging content about your product, behind-the-scenes looks, and customer stories. Use relevant hashtags and interact with your followers. Building a genuine presence takes time, but it can lead to your first sale and loyal fans. Trust is everything in online sales. Encourage your first customers to leave honest reviews. If you don't have any sales yet, consider offering your product to friends or family in exchange for feedback. Display reviews prominently on your store. Positive reviews build credibility and reassure new buyers that your product is worth purchasing. Over time, these reviews will help you attract even more customers. Online communities like Facebook groups, Reddit, or niche forums are great places to connect with potential customers. Join groups related to your product or industry. Participate genuinely by answering questions and sharing helpful advice. Avoid spamming your links. Instead, build relationships and offer value. When appropriate, mention your product as a solution. This approach can lead to organic interest and your first sale. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract customers without ads. Start a blog, create helpful videos, or write guides related to your product. Share your expertise and answer common questions your audience might have. This positions you as an authority and brings organic traffic to your store. Over time, valuable content can drive consistent sales and build a loyal customer base. You don't need a big budget to work with influencers. Reach out to micro-influencers in your niche who have engaged audiences. Offer your product in exchange for a review or mention. Influencers can introduce your store to new potential customers and lend credibility to your brand. Focus on building genuine partnerships for long-term results. Create excitement and urgency by offering limited-time promotions or discounts. This can motivate potential buyers to make a decision. Use banners or pop-ups on your store to highlight the offer. Make sure the promotion is clear and easy to redeem. Even a small discount or bonus can be the push someone needs to become your first customer. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to nurture leads and drive sales. Collect emails from interested visitors through a sign-up form or lead magnet. Send helpful content, product updates, and exclusive offers. Personalize your emails to make recipients feel valued. Over time, a well-nurtured email list can become a reliable source of sales, even without ads. Never underestimate the power of word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to share your store with friends and family. Offer referral incentives or simply ask for a share on social media. Personal recommendations carry a lot of weight and can quickly lead to your first sale. Make it easy for people to spread the word about your business. If your product is suitable, consider participating in local markets or events. This can help you build relationships, get direct feedback, and make your first sale in person. Even though your goal is online sales, offline connections can drive online traffic and build trust. Hand out business cards or flyers with your website to encourage future online purchases. A memorable brand helps you stand out in a crowded market. Choose a brand name, logo, and colors that reflect your values and appeal to your target audience. Consistency across your website, social media, and packaging builds recognition and trust. Even as a beginner, investing time in your brand identity pays off in the long run. Setting the right price is crucial for attracting buyers and making a profit. Research your competitors and understand what customers are willing to pay. Factor in your costs, but don't undervalue your work. Test different price points if needed and see what resonates with your audience. The right price can make all the difference in getting that first sale. A complicated checkout process can turn away buyers. Make sure your checkout is simple, secure, and mobile-friendly. Offer multiple payment options and minimize the number of steps required. Clearly display shipping costs and return policies. The easier it is to buy, the more likely you'll make your first sale. Great customer service sets you apart from the competition. Respond quickly to questions, be polite, and go the extra mile to help. Offer clear communication about orders and shipping. Happy customers are more likely to buy again and recommend you to others. Your reputation starts with your very first sale. After you make your first sale, follow up with your customer to thank them and ask for feedback. A simple thank you email or message shows you care and helps build a relationship. Use their feedback to improve your product or service. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and refer others, helping you grow your business organically. Once you've made your first sale, take time to analyze what worked. Look at your website analytics, social media engagement, and customer feedback. Identify which strategies brought the most traffic and conversions. Use these insights to refine your approach and focus on what delivers results. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Study your competitors to see what they're doing well and where you can stand out. Analyze their product listings, pricing, and customer reviews. Look for gaps or opportunities to offer something unique. Learning from others can inspire new ideas and help you avoid common mistakes as you grow your online business. Feedback is a valuable tool for growth. Listen carefully to what customers say about your product and shopping experience. Use constructive criticism to make improvements. Show your audience that you value their opinions by acting on their suggestions. This openness builds trust and encourages more sales over time. Consistency is key to building momentum. Keep posting on social media, updating your store, and engaging with your audience. Even if you don't see immediate results, persistence pays off. Set a schedule for your marketing activities and stick to it. Over time, your efforts will compound and lead to more sales. Making your first online sale is a big achievement. Take a moment to celebrate your hard work and dedication. Share your success with friends, family, or your online community. Recognizing milestones keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Every sale is a step toward your bigger goals. After your first sale, look for ways to scale up. Add new products, expand your marketing efforts, or explore new sales channels. Continue testing and refining your strategies. As you grow, consider automating tasks or outsourcing to save time. Scaling up is about building on your initial success and reaching even more customers. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Explore additional sales channels like Amazon, eBay, or local marketplaces. Each channel has its own audience and advantages. Diversifying your presence increases your chances of making more sales and reaching new customer segments. Evaluate which channels fit your brand and products best. As your business grows, automation can save you time and reduce errors. Use tools to automate order processing, email marketing, and inventory management. This allows you to focus on higher-level tasks like product development and customer engagement. Automation helps you scale efficiently and maintain a smooth operation. Once you've found success with your first product, consider expanding your product line. Offer complementary items or variations to attract repeat customers. Listen to customer requests and watch for trends in your niche. A broader product range can increase your average order value and appeal to a wider audience. Loyal customers are the backbone of any successful business. Offer loyalty programs, exclusive discounts, or early access to new products. Show appreciation for repeat buyers with personalized messages or small gifts. Building loyalty leads to more repeat sales and positive word of mouth, fueling your long-term growth. The e-commerce world changes quickly. Stay updated with industry trends, new tools, and customer preferences. Subscribe to newsletters, join online groups, and follow thought leaders in your niche. Being proactive helps you adapt and stay ahead of the competition, ensuring your business continues to grow. Every business faces challenges, especially in the beginning. You might encounter slow sales, technical issues, or negative feedback. Stay positive and view challenges as learning opportunities. Seek advice from experienced sellers and don't be afraid to try new approaches. Persistence and adaptability are key to overcoming obstacles. As your store grows, it's important to protect your business. Set up secure payment systems, use strong passwords, and back up your data regularly. Consider business insurance or legal advice if needed. Taking these precautions helps you avoid costly problems and ensures your business is built on a solid foundation. Good financial management is essential for long-term success. Track your income and expenses, set aside money for taxes, and reinvest profits into your business. Use accounting tools or hire a professional if needed. Staying organized with your finances helps you make informed decisions and avoid surprises. Running an online store can be demanding, especially at the start. Set boundaries and schedule time for rest and personal activities. Use productivity tools to manage your workload efficiently. Remember, a healthy work-life balance keeps you motivated and prevents burnout, allowing you to enjoy the journey. The most successful entrepreneurs are always learning. Take online courses, read books, and attend webinars to improve your skills. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Continuous learning helps you adapt to changes and discover new opportunities for your business. Surround yourself with supportive people who understand your journey. Join entrepreneur groups, find a mentor, or connect with other sellers online. Sharing experiences and advice can help you overcome challenges and stay motivated. A strong support network is invaluable as you grow your online business. After your first sale, set bigger goals for your business. Define what success looks like for you, whether it's more sales, new products, or expanding internationally. Break your goals into actionable steps and track your progress. Ambitious goals keep you focused and drive your business forward. As your business grows, look for ways to give back. Support local causes, donate a portion of your profits, or volunteer your time. Giving back builds goodwill and strengthens your brand's reputation. It's a rewarding way to make a positive impact while growing your business. Inspiration fuels your journey as an entrepreneur. Follow success stories, listen to podcasts, or read about other business owners who started from scratch. Surround yourself with positivity and keep your vision alive. Staying inspired helps you push through tough times and celebrate your wins. Many new sellers make mistakes like neglecting customer service, ignoring feedback, or giving up too soon. Be aware of these pitfalls and stay proactive. Learn from your mistakes and keep improving. Remember, every successful entrepreneur faced setbacks before finding success. Don't just wait for big milestones. Celebrate every small win along the way. Each new customer, positive review, or product improvement is a step forward. Recognizing progress keeps you motivated and helps you enjoy the journey of building your online business. Take time to reflect on your journey from starting your store to making your first sale. What worked well? What would you do differently? Regular reflection helps you learn, grow, and set new goals. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient and keep working toward your goals. Persistence and a positive attitude will help you overcome challenges and reach new heights. Remember, every big business started with a single sale. Yours could be next. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward your online sales journey. Remember, making your first sale without ads is absolutely possible with the right strategies and mindset. Stay focused, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. Your dedication will pay off, and each sale is a testament to your hard work. Wishing you all the best as you build your online business. Your first sale is just the beginning.